Rob Wilson, SouthTampaTeardowns.com with another happy home seller. We're with Eddin, and you had a kind of an interesting story. You had it under contract at one point, and with that first buyer that came around, what happened with that deal?
Se cayó, it dropped.
He just dropped out. He kind of disappeared on you. He said he was going to close in 30 days. 30 days came, and he never showed up. And that can be really frustrating. We hear that a lot. And so then we started talking again, and we went under contract, just about 3-4 weeks ago.
Right.
And it was really important that we close today because it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing this afternoon?
Closing my other house.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you're pretty excited?
Yes, sir.
Good deal, good deal. Well, that's what we like to hear. These are the types of families that we try to help. Folks that have a property to sell, they get that opportunity to move to their new home, and they need somebody that they can rely on to close. That's what we try to do at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Match you with a builder that's going to work with you and close when they say they're going to close. If you've got a property you're hoping to sell, give me a call. I'm at 813-784-4199 or request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thank you, Eddin.
Thank you.